In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with content locking, and this is XB Marketing with another video. So basically in this video, I am going to be walking you through the process of how to create a high converting and profitable content lockers and URL file lockers, so you can start making money right away. So basically what you are going to need is a cpagrip account. If you don't have an account already, I will leave a link in the description so you can create an account on cpagrip for absolutely free. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do once you have your cpagrip account, you want to head over to this monetization tools and you want to click on content lockers. So once you come to these content lockers, you want to click on this create new content locker. All right, so once you do that, you want to click on this button right here, I agree to terms of service, and you want to click on continue. So once you do that, you want to give your locker a name. So I am going to be using Twitch as an example. Before you create a content locker, ideally you want to have a content that you want to lock. All right, so if you are doing white hat method, you want to basically go onto website like IDPLR, PLR Minds, plr.com. So you want to go to this website. So once you don't have an account, it's going to bring you to this page. So all you just need to do is input your email address right here. You want to repeat the email address right here again, and then you want to click on this verify button right here, and then you want to click on next. So once you do that, you can see right here confirmation link has been sent to your email address, so please check your mailbox. So as you can see on the screen, this is the email they sent to my account. So basically all you do is click on activate your account. So once you click on that button, so once you click on that link, your account will be created. All right, so as you can see right here, I have logged in to my account on idplr.com. so basically all I need to do is go back and find that product again. All right, okay, this is the product right here. If I click on this functional fitness as an example, you can see there are other products as well. So if I click on this download button right now, as you can see right here, you can see it's downloading automatically. Okay, so basically this is how you get free PLR content from idplr.com. all right, so they have premium version if you want, okay, but if you just want a few of their PLR product, you can get this by creating an account with them. All right, so I am just going to extract this. So let me click on this. As you can see, this is the whole product right here. So basically we are going to be uploading this product. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to mediafire.com. you can use Google Drive if you want. You can also use mega.nz. there are a lot of file sharing websites that you can use. So basically you can just use Mediafire because it's faster. Okay, so once you come to mediafire.com, all you need to do is click on this upload file. Now you don't need to create an account with them if you don't want to, but obviously it's better you create an account with them so that you can check on your files from time to time. All right, so if you click on this upload files right now, so the next thing you want to do is you see an upload button. So you want to click on that upload button. Okay, so if I click on this upload button right here, so if I click on it on this plus, right, so I am going to locate where the folder or the PLR is on my device. So basically you want to upload this zipped file. All right, so you can actually upload any of the two, but I recommend you upload this one. Okay, so if you click on open, all right, so if I click on this begin upload, it's going to start uploading it now. As you can see, it has been uploaded. So if I click on this copy link and I go to a new tab, as you can see right here, you can see this is the download button right here. So this is the link that you are going to be placing your content locker. So the next thing you want to do is to copy this link right here. Okay, this is the link that you will be locking. All right, so once you copy this link, you want to go back to your cpagrip account, and then you want to scroll down. You want to go to this advanced section, and then you want to change this unlock action to redirect to URL, and then you want to paste the URL file, the URL link right here. Okay, and also you can choose the amount of offers that you want them to complete before they can unlock this link. Okay, so you can choose 2 if you want, but the maximum you can choose on cpagrip is 3. So it's up to you to decide how many offers you want them to complete. All right, so once you have chosen the number of offers you want them to complete, then you want to go back to general right here, and you want to change this to on click. All right, so once you change this to on click, virtually that's all you need to do. So I recommend you leave other things the way they are. Okay, and another interesting thing that you can do is you can click on this show offers right here, and if you click on this, it's going to show you offers from various countries on cpagrip. Okay, so you can click on this, and let's say New Zealand. If you expect a lot of your traffic to come from New Zealand, basically you can choose the offers that you want your visitors to see by clicking on this star button right here to favorite the offer. Okay, so any offer that you want them to complete, basically you can come here and choose the exact offer that you want your visitors to see if they click on your content locker. All right, so if you don't want them to see some offers, all you need to do is click on this green button right here to hide the offers. So if you click on this green button right here, as you can see here, it says hidden. All right, so basically if I promote this content locker, people from New Zealand, they won't see this offer. All right, so if I leave it like this, then they would see the offer. All right, so basically, like I said, if you want them to see this, take for example this Android offer, so basically all I need to do is click on this star, and it's going to be taken to the top, as you can see right here. So basically anybody who clicks on this link and the person is from New Zealand, they will see this as the first offer on the content locker. All right, so basically this is how you can choose as many offers of your choice. All you just need to do is click on this star button right here, and they will be shown those offers. All right, so basically I am just going to uncheck this. And another thing you can do is you can choose this section. You can come to this section right here and choose the type of offers that you want them to see. If you want them to see a pin submit offer before any other type of offer, then you can choose that right here. As you can see here, this one says pin first, then credit card, then CPA, then CPI. All right, so basically you can choose the priority or how you want the visitor to see the offer, but I always recommend you leave it as default. Okay, so that cpagrip will show the current performing offers on that country. All right, so basically I just want you to know that you have the option to do that if you want. All right, so once you're done with that, all you just need to do is click on save. So once you click on save, what you want to do is you want to click on this get code right here. All right, so if you click on that, this is your locker code right here. So all you just need to do is copy this locker code, and you can start driving traffic to whatever website that you want to paste this code. So don't worry, in future videos I am going to show you how to use content lockers to make money online. All right, so we are done with content lockers. All right, so the next one that I'm going to be showing you is URL file lockers. So if you click on URL file lockers, all right, so if I refresh it, you can see everything remains the same. Basically what you want to do is you want to click on create new URL locker. You want to also agree to the terms of service and click on continue, and you want to give your locker a name. So let's say maybe T. Okay, you can actually give it whatever name that you want. All right, so basically for file locker, there are a lot of templates that you can choose from. Okay, you can see there are a lot of templates right here that you can use. All right, so basically you want to go through all of them and see which one catches your attention the most, and you can choose that. All right, so basically let me use this one as an example. All right, so editing this template, you can also edit this template if you want. So take for example, you want to change this background image right here. All right, so all you need to do is come to the style section, and you want to go on Google. So let's say maybe you are promoting a weight loss offer, a weight loss content locker or something. So basically you can just type in weight loss or whatever you are promoting, and you can go on Google. All right, so you can click on, okay, let's click on this image. So if you click on this image right here, all you need to do is just right click on this image, and you want to copy the image address. All right, so if you go back to your locker right here, you want to come to this section that says background. All right, so basically what you want to change is you want to replace this with the link that you just copied. So you want to, all right, so you want to paste in the link right there, and then you want to click on this preview. As you can see right here, we have that image in the background of this locker. So basically whatever niche that you are promoting with your URL file locker, you can always add an image of that niche to your background. If it's a game hack or whatever you're doing, you can just post the link in the background of this image. So basically you can also change a lot of parameters here as well. All right, but I don't want to go into advanced stuff here because a lot of people are not interested in that. But basically, if you want me to do more videos on how to edit this stuff right here, you can leave a comment down below and I'll show you how to even make more edits to these content lockers. All right, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is, like I said, you want to go on to IDPLR or wherever you want to get your content from, and then you want to upload it to Mediafire. Okay, so once you upload it on Mediafire, you will be able to get a direct link, and you want to paste the link in here. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the link. Okay, so basically the same thing that I showed you on Content Locker, you can also come to show offers and you can edit whatever offer that you want your visitors to see as per country. So basically, if you have an idea of where majority of your traffic will be coming from, all right, so you can just go to that country and you can edit the offer. So if you say United States, you can just come here and look for the best offer that you like, that you want your visitors to complete. Okay, as you can see, a lot of the offers here are paying over $2 for email submit. So basically you can just come here and you can click on this favorite right here and you can set those offers to the top. So basically they will be the offers that your visitors are going to see when they click on your content locker. All right, and also, as I showed previously, you can choose this one as well if you want to. All right, so basically that's how you do that. All right, so if I X out of this, so the next thing you want to do is to also set the amount of lead that you want. So you can click on the number of lead that you want your visitors to see. All right, so basically that is how you do that. You can also change this button too as well. All right, if it's a downloadable content, you can just type in download right here. All right, so as you can see, all right, as you can see, the button changed to download now. All right, so basically you can play around with this. You can type in whatever call to action that you want them to see. All right, and also this text right here, you can also edit this text to whatever you want them to see. So if you want to change the color of this human to any color, all you just need to do is click on that. As you can see, it's updated in real time right here. All right, so basically that's how easy it is to customize your locker. All right, so once you're done, all you just need to do is click on save. As you can see right here, all you just need to do is click on get links and you can copy your link, and also you can customize your link if you want to. You can give it a name related to your niche if you want to. All right, so basically it's up to you to do that if you want, and all you just need to do is you want to copy the link. So basically that is how you can start uploading whatever PLR content of your choice or whatever content you want to give to your audience or your niche. All you just need to do is to upload the content on any of the file hosting website of your choice. Okay, and also if you want to just have them come to IDPLR to get it for free, you don't need to upload it here, of course. All you just need to do is to grab this IDPLR link and you want to send them to this link after they complete the offer. So it's up to you to decide how you want to do it. That brings us to the end of this video. If you find any value, of course, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any question, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.